On Friday, September 8, 2023, the Dow Jones was up 75.86 to finish the week at 34,576.59. The Nasdaq was up 12.69 to finish the week at 13,781.53. The S&P 500 was up 6.35 to finish the week at 4,457.49. This week, expect a slow week. Expect a risk-off week where the Japanese yen and United States dollar will strengthen and the stock market as a whole may weaken. Since the S&P 500 peaked on July 26, 2023, the market is waiting. It is waiting for the other shoe to drop. Based on expectations set earlier in the year, the FOMC should be on track to decrease rates within the next meeting or two at this point in the year, but that is not the case. At best, the FOMC will imply another hawkish pause at their meeting in 2 weeks, and at worst, they will raise rates in September and indicate another is on the way. There will be more inflation numbers this week, and it won't be good. The headline will indicate a large jump, but the core readings should be flat to slightly higher than they were last month. As opposed to 0.2% last month, the headline month-over-month is expected to be 0.5%, and the year-over-year figure will also increase. Don't be duped when the mainstream media starts praising the core numbers, because this is a leading indicator of core inflation. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.